HOWO TX 371 RHD truck tractor for sale in Ghana are professionally inspected and maintained to ensure excellent performance and long service life, adapting to Ghana's road and transportation needs with strong power and stability. Each unit is equipped with high-quality core components, 371 horsepower engine, smooth transmission, reliable axles, wear-resistant tires, upgraded cab interiors, and full safety accessories, providing Ghana customers with cost-effective tractors for long-distance and heavy-duty use. For high-performance, cost-effective HOWO TX 371 RHD truck tractor, contact us anytime.